Kia ora Star Wars fans, welcome to Middle Aged Kiwi Man collecting Star Wars figures. In this video we're going to give you an update on the Jaslab Gonk Droid Beer Fridge or Jaslab Gonk Droid Beverage Fridge. This is a super exciting project, but don't take my word for it. Have a listen to some of our celebrity endorsements.
All I want in life is a life-size one of these to put my beer in, so I'm backing the Gonk Droid Beer Fridge.
Ooh, nice little beer, eh? Gonk, gonk.
Hi everyone, Randy here from Classic Rando 74. If you're anything like me, you can't chill your drinks in this tiny little Gonk Droid. It just doesn't work. But now, there's a solution. It's the Jaslab Gonk Droid Fridge. I'm backing it, and so should you.
I just want to demonstrate this awesome fridge. It's pretty cool. It can fit 4 cans here, plus another 2 cans up the top, and you can stash a chocolate bar or something in there. Boom! There's a little fridge, and it doesn't quite fit when the lid is closed, so I've got a solution for that. Okay, scoring the top of the plastic container didn't get it all the way through, so we're going to have to resort to power tools. Alrighty, bit of dust around the Gonk legs, looking pretty cool, Gonk feet. But you can see there's a bit of a crack in there, but that's okay. Max Bond PVA is going to fix that. Okay, just wanting to drill a hole in the bottom here so that the power cable can come out, and hopefully this doesn't destroy the plastic. Okay, purpose of these 2 holes, so the big hole down the bottom, it's so I can put in the power pack and it will feed through there nicely, and then smaller hole will be for charging cables and bits and pieces. So yeah, very functional Gonk. Okay, I just wanted to show my plan for how I'm gonna attach the foot to the leg of the Gonk. So you can see there I've already marked out exactly where in the foot I want that to go. So what I will do is I will drill a hole that way, but then put this massive screw, there we go, massive woodworking screw in through that hole that way, so you can see it will fit quite far up the peg. And also I will liberally apply this woodworking PVA, so it'll be massive screw and glued, so that should hold nicely. Put a bit of soap on these screws, the old carpenter's trick. Yeah, hopefully no one notices the screw grooves in the bar of soap. Use a slightly bigger drill bit so that this head can sit in there nicely. Okay, here we go. Gonky feet are looking pretty swish. Nice and solid. Gonk, gonk, gonk. course they're going to need to be all painted up, have their pants put on. Yeah, so there's quite a bit of work left to do in this project. So over here are the main Gonk boxes. I need to paint those with primer, get all the greeblies on and bits and pieces. So I think the next stages will bits be assembly and painting and stuff like that. But thanks very much for watching. If you got this far, this is the hashtag Gonk Droid Beer Fridge project. Jaslab. I'm middle-aged Kiwi man collecting Star Wars figures. Ka kite, and see you on the next video.